Okay, in this presentation, we're going to look at some short complex numbers questions. So essentially, what we're solving here is a very simple expression here. Solve for x and y, where x and y are both real numbers, elements of R. Okay, that's the bold blackboard font R. Okay, not to worry. So what we're going to do here is we have this expression here. Z is equal to 2y plus ix, but it's also equal to 4 plus x minus I. Okay, so essentially what you have to do here is solve for x and y. So what we're going to do here is just group up all the real numbers, the real parts. So it is 2y and 4 plus x. So 2y equals 4 plus x. And then we're going to bunch up all of the imaginary components there. So essentially plus ix equals minus I. So necessarily minus x equal to x is equal to minus 1. So if x is equal to minus 1, that means y is equal to 2y is equal to 3, and therefore y is equal to 3 over 2. So those are our two answers. So that's the first one, straightforward enough. Solve for a and b, where a plus bi is equal to 2 minus I squared. Again, this is a straightforward multiplication. So what we have here is 2 minus I to be times 2 minus I. So let's multiply it out. So we'll start here with this 2 and just multiply the other term. 4 minus 2i, and now we'll go to the minus I. So we have minus 2i plus I squared plus I squared, that's equal to minus 1. Okay, that becomes minus 1. So essentially what we end up with is 3 minus 4i. Oops. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4. That's just as sort of important to actually explicitly state that part. So it is actually it's a sort of straightforward enough question, but actually the question does ask you to actually explicitly state this, not just leave it as that. Okay, just as an important habit to get into with mathematics. Okay, we'll leave it there. We'll move on to the next one.